How to add or remove the follow button on your Facebook profile. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to add or remove your very follow button on your Facebook profile but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device by tapping on the Facebook application. After that, you have to go to the three lines at the top and then go to the option of the settings and privacy. After that, you have to go to the option of the settings, and after you tap on the option of the settings, now you can see an interface like this. Now, after you see an interface like this, you have to go to the next option, that is the personal details out there. After you tap on the option of the personal details, you can see an interface like this. Otherwise, what you can do is you can just go back and then go to the option of the post there. After you tap on the option of the post, you can see an interface like this. Now here, in the who can see your future post, you have to set it to only me, and the limit who can see past post as well. You can just go to the option of the limit the past post, and here you have the option of the followers and a public account as well. Now in the option of who can follow me, you have to go to the option of only the friends, and who can see your followers on the timeline as well. You have to set it to only me like this, and who can see the post that you list you follow, you can also set it to only me, and this way you can just disable the followers. But if you'd like to enable the follower option, you have to go to the option of who can follow me and set it to the public option. This way you can just control who can follow you and who cannot. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.